Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of global cuisine to uncover 8 healthy eating habits practiced by cultures around the globe. From the sun-kissed shores of the Mediterranean to the bustling streets of Tokyo, each region offers a unique approach to nourishing the body and nurturing the soul. Join us on a culinary journey as we explore the secrets behind the longevity of the Greek, Italian, and Spanish Mediterranean diet, the mindful eating practices of Japan, and the vibrant flavors of Indian cuisine. We'll also uncover the wholesome ingredients and balanced meals of the French diet, the fermented delights of Korean dishes, and the tropical abundance of Brazil. Not to forget the nutrient-rich traditions of the Middle East and the colorful, flavorful fare of Mexico. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover how these global eating habits can transform your health and well-being. 1. Mediterranean diet: Greece, Italy, Spain. The Mediterranean diet, originating from Greece, Italy, and Spain, is renowned for its health benefits and emphasis on fresh, whole foods. At its core, this diet prioritizes plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Olive oil, a staple fat source, provides monounsaturated fats known to support heart health. Fish, particularly varieties rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and sardines, feature prominently, while red meat is consumed in moderation. Legumes like chickpeas and lentils are regular protein sources, offering fiber and nutrients. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet encourages moderate consumption of dairy products, mainly in the form of yogurt and cheese. Red wine, when consumed in moderation and alongside meals, provides antioxidants and may confer cardiovascular benefits. Overall, this dietary pattern promotes a balanced intake of nutrients, supports heart health, and is associated with lower rates of chronic diseases like diabetes and certain cancers. 2. Japanese diet. The Japanese diet is characterized by its emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients and a diverse range of foods. Central to this diet is the consumption of seafood, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna, which provide essential omega-3 fatty acids for heart and brain health. Vegetables, often pickled or served raw, are abundant in Japanese cuisine, providing a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Fermented foods such as miso, natto, and kimchi are commonly consumed, promoting gut health and aiding digestion. Whole grains like rice and noodles are staple sources of carbohydrates, complementing meals with fiber and energy. Traditional Japanese eating habits also include mindful practices such as hara hachi biyu, where individuals eat until they are 80% full, promoting portion control and preventing overeating. 3. Indian diet. The Indian diet is rich in diverse flavors, spices, and ingredients, reflecting the country's cultural and regional diversity. Central to this diet is a wide array of vegetables, lentils, legumes, and whole grains, providing a variety of essential nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants. Spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander, and ginger are integral to Indian cooking, offering not only flavor but also potential health benefits such as anti-inflammatory and digestive properties. Homemade meals are preferred over processed or fast food, allowing for greater control over ingredients and cooking methods. Yogurt, a common accompaniment to meals, provides probiotics beneficial for gut health. Traditional Indian dietary practices also emphasize moderation and balance, with meals typically featuring a mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. 4. French diet. The French diet, renowned for its balance and enjoyment of food, emphasizes quality over quantity and encourages mindful eating habits. Central to this diet is the appreciation of fresh, locally sourced ingredients, including fruits, vegetables, cheeses, and bread. Portion control is a key aspect, with meals savored slowly to fully experience flavors and textures. Traditional French cuisine features a variety of cooking techniques, from grilling and roasting to braising and sautéing, enhancing the natural flavors of ingredients. Processed foods and snacks are limited, with a focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Dining is often considered a social event, with meals enjoyed leisurely and with company, fostering a positive relationship with food. The French diet also allows for indulgences in moderation, such as wine and desserts, promoting a balanced approach to eating. 5. Korean diet. The Korean diet is characterized by its emphasis on a wide variety of vegetables, fermented foods, and balanced meals. A cornerstone of Korean cuisine is the consumption of fermented dishes like kimchi, which is rich in probiotics and aids in digestion and gut health. Vegetables play a significant role, with meals often featuring numerous side dishes, banchan, made from pickled, steamed, or stir-fried vegetables, providing an array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Lean proteins such as tofu, fish, and poultry are commonly consumed, while red meat is enjoyed in moderation. Traditional Korean meals are typically served with rice and soup, offering a balanced combination of carbohydrates, proteins, and fiber. Additionally, drinking tea, particularly green tea, is common, offering hydration and antioxidant benefits. 6. Brazilian diet. The Brazilian diet is centered around fresh, colorful ingredients and embraces a diverse range of foods. A key feature is the abundant use of tropical fruits like acai, papaya, and mango, which provide essential vitamins and minerals. Balanced meals often include a combination of beans, rice, and lean meats such as chicken and fish, offering a mix of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Fresh juices and coconut water are popular beverages, providing hydration and electrolytes. Brazilian cuisine also emphasizes the enjoyment of leisurely meals shared with family and friends, promoting social connections and a positive relationship with food. Traditional cooking methods like grilling and roasting are preferred over frying, enhancing the natural flavors of ingredients. 7. Middle Eastern diet. The Middle Eastern diet prioritizes wholesome, nutrient-rich foods and embraces a variety of flavors and textures. Key components include healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, and seeds, which contribute to heart health and satiety. Meals are centered around fiber-rich foods such as whole grains, legumes, and vegetables, providing sustained energy and supporting digestive health. Herbs and spices like mint, parsley, and cinnamon are used liberally for flavor and potential health benefits. Lean proteins from sources like chicken, lamb, and fish are consumed in moderation. 8. Mexican diet. The Mexican diet is characterized by its vibrant flavors and nutrient-rich ingredients. Central to this diet are colorful vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and avocados, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Traditional cooking methods such as grilling, steaming, and roasting preserve the natural goodness of ingredients. Balanced meals often include a combination of corn, beans, and whole grains, offering a mix of fiber and complex carbohydrates. Dairy products like cheese and yogurt are consumed in moderation, providing calcium and protein. Mexican cuisine also features herbs and spices known for their medicinal properties. Exploring the diverse eating habits from around the world not only offers us a culinary adventure, but also valuable lessons in nourishment and well-being. From the simplicity of fresh Mediterranean ingredients to the mindful balance of Japanese meals, each culture has something unique to teach us about healthy eating. By incorporating these practices into our own lives, we can cultivate a more varied, nutrient-rich diet that promotes longevity, vitality, and a deeper appreciation for the connection between food and health. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can make more. Thanks for watching.